Hello friends! In this video I intend to teach you how to register with the Trive Broker. You enter the Forex Broker section. Select the Trive Broker and click on Go to Website. When you enter the website, you click on Register, and in the registration section, you enter your first name, last name, email address, mobile phone number, and choose a password, which they recommend to be between 8 to 15 characters using numbers, symbols, and both uppercase and lowercase letters. After entering the information, you accept the website's terms by ticking the box and click Next. In the next step, you choose how you want to work with the website, and then confirm the terms and click Next. In the next step, you enter your gender, date of birth along with your city of birth, country of residence along with your full address, nationality, ID card number, employment status, and your job type or status, and finally, click Next. In the next step, you enter your financial information such as bank, income, etc., and finally, click Next. Your account has been created, but friends, please note that to work with the Trive website, you must upload documents such as an ID card, passport, etc. Good luck.